Cooliman named as person of interest in the brutal murder of a 9-year-old girl in Spanish Town. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police have named Giovanni Ellis, otherwise called Cooliman, as a person of interest in the gruesome murder of a 9-year-old girl, Kelsey Farragon, whose partially nude body was found inside a barrel at her Joe Lane home in Spanish Town, St. Catherine on Friday night. Investigators believe that the 9-year-old was beaten and sexually assaulted before her body was discovered around 8 p.m. The child death has triggered outrage and a major police investigation. Head of the Criminal Investigation Branch CIB, Assistant Commissioner of Police Wayne Joseph, said that law enforcement is leaving no stones unturned in its efforts to capture Ellis, who is being urged to report to the Spanish Town Police immediately. The brutal assault and murder of Kelsey Farragon has sent shockwaves throughout the entire force, and I'm sure the entire Jamaica ASP, Joseph said in a statement. The Assistant Commissioner of Police further said that they are utilizing every single resource at our disposal, our investigators, our forensic team, our intelligence network, to relentlessly pursue and apprehend the monster responsible for this act. We owe it to Kelsey, her family, and every child in Jamaica to bring the individual to justice swiftly. Anyone with information on the whereabouts of Giovanni Ellis is being asked to contact the Spanish Town CIB at 876-984-2305, the National Intelligence Bureau at 811, Crime Stop at 311, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.